Every school district relies on its Student Information System, or SIS, to manage some of its most sensitive information. For many districts, that system is PowerSchool. PowerSchool contains student records, parent information, attendance, grades, schedules, staff identities, and other critical district data. That's why Securus360 has integrated PowerSchool directly into its MXDR platform. Instead of viewing PowerSchool activity in isolation, Securus360 correlates it with endpoint, network, cloud, and identity telemetry. This broader visibility helps security teams identify suspicious logins, abnormal access patterns, compromised accounts, and unexpected privilege changes with greater context. PowerSchool activity is also monitored by the Securus360 Security Operations Center. The result is stronger visibility, better context, and greater confidence in protecting one of the most important systems in every school district. PowerSchool plus Securus360. Cybersecurity visibility built for K-12. Learn more at Securus360.com.